If your 2015 Chevy Silverado is shaking at highway speeds, let's look at the most common culprits. Statistics show that over 70% of these vibrations originate from tires that are either out of balance or unevenly worn. Before you spend money at the shop, follow this diagnostic path to isolate the source. Start by checking your tire pressure and visually inspecting the tread for irregular cupping patterns. If the tires check out, inspect your driveline components like the U-joints and the carrier bearing. Worn wheel bearings or loose control arm bushings can also mimic a tire vibration during acceleration. Simple fixes like a tire rotation are DIY friendly, but driveline alignment often requires professional tools. Costs vary widely, with simple balancing being cheap compared to full wheel bearing replacement. When working underneath, always use jack stands and rotate your tires to see if the vibration follows. Ensure you have a reliable torque wrench and proper jack stands before attempting any suspension inspection. Remember, don't ignore these vibrations, as they are early warning signs of mechanical failure. Check your tires first, and if the shaking persists, get it inspected to keep your Silverado running smoothly.